If your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max, like this, is stuck on a black screen or showing weak or no signal, don't worry my friend, this usually can be fixed pretty quickly. Let's see all the best ways to solve it. Now, the most common reasons behind this issue are physical damage, loose connections causing signal interference, or something like just a few TV settings. Now, one thing to keep in mind, when your Fire TV Stick 4K Max goes into sleep mode, your screen might turn black or show no signal. No kidding. So first, just press a few random buttons on your remote to just wake it up to see if that's the issue. Now, sometimes it can take a few seconds to respond, so don't panic if it feels a bit slow. Now, if your TV stick keeps going back to no signal after a certain interval, then it could be the auto shutdown feature. We've got a full video on how to turn that off. You can just go ahead and check that out if needed. Now, if it's still not working, keep saying no signal, start with a power cycle. Unplug the Fire TV stick from the HDMI port of your TV and disconnect the cable from the stick itself as well. Now, if it's plugged into a wall socket, just unplug that too. And then you gotta check these 5 things. First, look for any physical damage in the cable or the HDMI port. Second, make sure the port isn't filled with dust or debris. Just clean it gently using a brush or a dust blower, whatever you have. Third, check if the Fire Stick is overheating. If it is, it can shut down automatically. Just let it cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes. Number 4, if you're powering the stick directly through your TV's USB port, you can try switching to the official power adapter. And number 5 is if you recently changed the cable, make sure it supports proper data transfer and is compatible and good quality. If you're using an HDMI extension cable, you can try removing it for now and connect the stick directly to your TV ARC port. Once everything is checked, everything is plugged back in, just make sure all connections are secure. Just turn the TV back on, and hopefully now it'll no longer show the no signal message and will be turned on without any reason. Now, if your host TV is working perfectly but the Fire TV stick still isn't, then the issue is most likely with the stick itself. In that case, it's best to contact Amazon support. Let us know in the comment section if this video could help you. Thanks for your time.